Hashtag how to add and customize interactive storytelling elements for narrative writing. Hey, fellow wordsmiths! Want to take your narrative writing to the next level? Exploding head. Interactive storytelling elements are the secret weapon you need. Crossed swords. First, sprinkle in some choices, shuffle tracks button. Let your readers decide the protagonist's fate. Do they take the mysterious path or the safe one? Face screaming in fear. Next, layer in some personality quizzes, woman detective. Uncover hidden aspects of your characters and surprise your readers. Don't forget about branching narratives, deciduous tree. Multiple endings keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Repeat button. And finally, add some immersive media, headphone. Soundscapes, images, even videos can bring your story to life. Collision. Interactive storytelling is the future of narrative writing, rocket. So grab your keyboard and start crafting. Writing hand. Remember, the only limit is your imagination, Dizzy.